Learn how to turn an existing resource into an engaging, interactive Seesaw activity with the Convert a Resource tool. First, upload the resource you would like to use. Select the pages you would like to keep in your new activity. You can select up to 10. Hit Next to move on. Highlight images, charts, graphs, or diagrams you want included in your activity as images, then select Next. You can also tell AI exactly how you want to adapt your resource by adding in custom instructions or use the quick tags to differentiate your lesson instantly. Personalize the look and feel of your activity with a variety of fun themes, then hit Generate Activity. Seesaw AI gets to work creating an interactive activity based on your uploaded resource. And just like that, your original resource is now a dynamic and engaging activity featuring a variety of Seesaw's multimodal tools and auto-graded questions, giving students multiple ways to demonstrate understanding. Finally, save and assign to students.